So this is the Inkee Gold Crow video light. Now this is ultra portable, ultra durable, and just ultra good. So it's a video light, and it's built of tough metal. This thing is built like an absolute bomb. It is waterproof as well, so you can chuck this outside and in the rain and take this on shoots and use it outside in all conditions. So it's waterproof, and it's got a big built-in battery. The battery is charged via the included 100-watt fast charger, so this charges really quickly as well, and it can power this light for over 2 hours on full power. The absolutely killer feature for me on this, which I wish was included on a lot more products out there, is that on the display, where you've got the display here, you can see that on the over camera on the top, it tells you the runtime in hours and minutes. So it tells you how long you've got left rather than just a battery percentage. That for me is a brilliant feature. It's got this really unique mounting system. Now this reflector comes included in the box, and all you have to do is take this off if you don't want it on there. Then this actually folds out to be a full-size bones mount, so you can fit this to bigger and larger soft boxes for different purposes in studio or outside. That is a really unique design. Looks like a transformer, and then if you don't want it, you can fold it back up, and then we pop this reflector back on there like so, and we're away, and you can use it back in the studio. So that is a brilliant, unique design that I think makes this, again, another feature that stands out from the crowd. So it comes in two versions. We've got this bi-colour version and a fixed light version. The bi-colour version goes from 2700 Kelvin all the way to 6500 Kelvin to get those different warmer and cooler looks. No matter what you're filming, you're covered on that sense. Now this really good little dial on the top, which changes the amount, the percentage of the brightness. That's really bright at 100%. This is 60 watts, by the way, really bright. If you sort of half turn this, it changes to the Kelvin color, and then we can change the color of the Kelvin to a warmer Kelvin color, say 2700. Then it resets back to the main menu, and you can turn the light on like so. Now the fan, by the way, is really, really quiet. That's the noise of it. So this, for smaller YouTube or smaller studio spaces, is a brilliant thing. So this is just, this light's stacking up to have all the things you want, or I want in particular, from a studio video light. On top of that, the light is 95% CRI, so it's very close to producing the same sort of colours that real sunlight produces. And to top it off, it's got a built-in power bank mode, so we can plug in the cable which comes with it into there, and we can charge your phone, and we can reverse charge GoPros, Insta360 cameras. No matter what is charged by USB-C, you can plug it in and use it as a power bank as well. That's another great feature. So to finish off, there's a bunch of different mounting options. It's got 1/4" threads all the way around this, so you can mount it in different ways. You can buy the accessory from Inkee, which is this adjustable mount, which can be mounted on a spigot onto a light stand on the top there. So, and then there's other attachments you can add to this as well. So this is a good purchase. So there's a bunch of different mounting options, different angles, different things that you can use this for. Really is a great video light. If you do want to purchase one of these, will be a link in the description down below, and I fully recommend you do, because this is a brilliant product and I'm going to be using it in my future videos. So hope it helped. That's it for this one. I shall see you in the next one. Take it easy. Bye guys.